In this next one, we're given N2O molecule, which has a central nitrogen, and we're asked to what the formal charge is on the best resonance structure. 2 nitrogens and 1 oxygen. This is also, again, 16 valence electrons, and it's 3 atoms. So we're going to just kind of skip to this structure. Okay, there we go. Where we have central nitrogen, and we've tethered the outside nitrogen and the oxygen to the central atom. Just like before, that uses 4. That leaves 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Using up 12 electrons leaves me now with no electrons left over. But again, this nitrogen is happy, the oxygen is happy, but the nitrogen in the middle is not. And so we run into the same scenario again. So we have N triple bond N single bond O. We have N double bond N double bond O. And we have N single bond N triple bond O. Okay, and now we need to assign the formal charges in order to figure out which structure is the best. So we'll divide it up again. And nitrogen from the periodic table has 5 valence electrons. And right here it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's no charge on that nitrogen. This nitrogen has 1, 2, 3, 4. But we expect 5 from the periodic table. So there's a +1 on that nitrogen. And then this oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From the periodic table, we expect 6. So it has 1 extra electron. This nitrogen right here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the periodic table, we expect it to have 5, and so there's a negative charge on this nitrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just like over here, we have a positive charge on the middle nitrogen, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for oxygen, and it should have 6, and so no charge on the oxygen. And finally, let's look at this one. Divide it up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for this nitrogen. We expect it to have 5, and so there's a 2 minus charge here. The nitrogen in the middle is +1 again, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's a +1 charge on the oxygen. So this is one that's going to be clearly the worst because it has that big -2 charge, and large negative charges are the worst. These both have an atom that has a positive charge and an atom that has negative charge. So then the question becomes, is it better for the oxygen to bear the negative charge, or is it better for the nitrogen to bear the negative charge? Well, oxygen is much better. Oxygen is more electronegative, and so a negative oxygen and a positive nitrogen is a better scenario for us to have here. And so this one is the best. And the actual question asks, what's the formal charge on the oxygen atom and the best resonance structure for N2O? And so right here is our answer. That's a -1 charge.